Is that recording?
I'm sorry. That was really gross.
Tissue paper.
I feed the dogs and then, that's plastic, honey. Oh, yeah, you're very trying on that one. Oh, yeah, I'm sure. What's going on? Well, thank you. Thank you. I had a happy birthday. Pastor Lorraine said it loud enough in church when he came over to tell me happy birthday that, like, everybody within